everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. Weather is getting hot in Hong Kong. Let us share with you a healthy vegan dish, vegetarian smoked goose with enoki mushroom and bean sprout. Hope you like it too. For sauce, we need oyster sauce, water, cornstarch, and some seasonings. And for ingredients, we will need a vegetarian smoked goose, enoki mushrooms, bean sprouts, and shallot. This time, we are using the brand Bell's vegetarian smoked goose. Easy to buy from Pakistan and some large wet market. And it comes with vacuum packing. First, wash the enoki mushroom and bean sprout and drain them. And then prepare the sauce. Mix them well and set aside for later use. After the pan is heated, add the vegetarian smoked goose. JAR tips: no need to add oil to the pan this time. Then pan fry until aromatic. And remember to fry both sides. And until it's golden brown on both sides, place it on a plate, slice it, and set aside. Then, using the same pan, we can add some oil. Sauté the shallot. Then, add the enoki mushroom and bean sprouts. Slightly fry until soft, then add the mixed sauce. Once the sauce has boiled, add the sliced vegetarian smoked goose. And remember that the vegetarian goose is already flavored. Do not need to add too much soy sauce or salt. And lastly, sprinkle the green onion. This easy made and delicious vegetarian smoked goose with enoki mushrooms and bean sprouts is now ready to serve. Just simply eat with plain rice. It is so yummy and tasty. If you like this healthy vegetarian smoked goose with enoki mushroom and bean sprouts, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.